Stop. I want it, I got it. 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 I want it, I got it.
Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful headband. It's so easy, simple and fast to do. You can see this is it. This is the headband. You can gift your child or a friend, and you can just accentuate it on your head. Once I'm done, I'm going to be showing you the results on my beautiful girl's head. Let's get to work. So you will need your crochet hook, then your yarn as well for this tutorial. This is it. This is my crochet hook. I'm using 4.0mm hook, which is the half hook. Then I'm going to be using 2 strands of my 3-ply yarn. So I'm mixing 2 colors. I'm mixing 2 colors, and I'm going to be using black and orange. Let's get to work. So I'm going to start with a slip knot. So if you don't know how to do this style, you just take the longer part over the shorter part, turn it in and pull up the longer part and pull through like so. So that's all to do a slip knot. That's how to do a slip knot. Now let's chain. We are going to chain 30. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. So I'm going to be skipping 5 chains. I'm going to be skipping 5 chains, but before I skip 5 chains, I'm going to do extra 5. 1 2 3 4 5, which makes a total of 35. So I'm going to be skipping 10 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So on the 10th one, I'm just going to insert. So then I do a slip stitch. After slip stitching, I'm going to turn it, like flipping it. Then I'm going to do another chain of 10. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is what you continue till the end of the tutorial. So then don't always forget to flip. Once I flip, then do your chain of 10. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to do that again in this hole, the previous round. Do a slip stitch, twist it, that's flipping it, chain of 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Insert and do a slip stitch. Don't forget to flip. Continue this till it wrap the front part of your head. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You do a slip stitch around the previous circle. Don't forget to flip. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I'm going to flip again, right? When we flip this time, so you can see this, so don't get confused. You can see that we are moving forward, right? So you have done this, you're flipping. Since we are going forward, you're flipping on this. So we are going to do on. So finish up, I have my last chain of 10. Then I'm going to slip stitch in this previous round. Slip stitch. Then I chain 25 on 5 6 7 17 18 19 21 22 23 24 25. That will be all. Then I chain 1 and use our scissors to cut. So you just cut out the. Then we are done. We have this. We have this. Can you see that? We have this. Can be stretchy. Okay. So but we have this. So
Let's get stitch on your head.
And look at it on their hair. This is Sharon and this is Shalom. You can see how beautiful and good looking this is on their head. Bye. See you in my next video.
Thanks for watching at Create with Splendor. Don't forget to like this video so the algorithm can push it to more people. Subscribe and turn on the bell to get notified as soon as I upload a new video. See you in my next video.